This is going to be our print server. Once the package has been imported onto the server, we first need to extract its content. The extracted package contains all the prerequisites, including the .NET 5. The only requirement for admin is to allow the server to open an outgoing connection to our Celiveo.me cloud on port 443. This outgoing connection is mandatory as it will allow for the job file to be transferred. There is no incoming connection required. In our extracted package, the certificate folder will contain all the intermediary public certificates alongside the encrypted PFX, which will be installed with the CSVP. To install the CSVP, we have to open the command line tool, navigate to the extracted folder, and launch the installer with the parameter ztapwd followed by the password to install the PFX on the server. This certificate will be used to authenticate the connection on our cloud. Once the installation has been done, the CSVP appears on the lower right corner and tries to connect to the SQL database. Once the connection is done, we are ready to configure the administration of the Chromebook.